What is up guys, Trent Cow here. I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at these motion activated night lights. One of them doesn't work, so I'm going to dig into that deeper in this video. As always guys, let's rock the intro. So with this first one, this is the one that doesn't work. Let me put on the batteries real quick. See? You just saw that light flicker, didn't you? See? It doesn't seem to turn on, it doesn't work. Initially when you put the batteries in, there should be a light, and when there's no that movement within like 15 seconds, it just shuts off. And when it's dark, then it should turn on. And turn off after 15 seconds. That's how it should work. But in this case, no response. Let me take out the battery again and plug it in. Still doesn't work. I wonder what went wrong. But let's check out the one that works first. Here's another unit we want to check. Upon putting the batteries in. Oh, there you go. It works. See, after putting the batteries in, the one that works, it just works. Look at that. It should be on like this. Since it's detecting motion, it wouldn't turn off after 15 seconds because I'm moving it myself. And when you turn on the brightness, it works like that. So we are back with the one that doesn't work. So now we're going to tear it down. Now I'm going to unscrew. And now we're going to tear this open. It just pops off like that. This is the internals. Surprisingly, like, we don't see any damage in this. The wires are connected nice and the PCB is still intact. But here's what the PCB looks like if you guys didn't know. Well, these night lights from Xiaomi are really good. But I'm really surprised how this one didn't work as it intended to right as of this moment. Well, hold on, let me put this back together real quick. And guys, quick update, if you see those terminals, you see they're a bit corroded. Maybe that's the reason why this won't work. I think this needs to be recycled, and probably we need to get a new one after this. And there you go guys, that's it for the video. Hope you like it. This product is like officially not being sold by Xiaomi anymore, but I will link to the ones I recommend down below in the description. See you!